Welcome back to our channel. It's HOUR, our channel. So again, it's me, your girl, Mela, Momonski, back with another video. So for today's video, I'll be showing you kung paano natin ginawa ang easiest way to achieve this cloudy look. So, if you want to know kung paano natin nagawa to, yes, it's the easiest way. So, kung gusto nyong malaman, just keep on watching. Of course, we'll be starting off our look with our kilay. And we'll be using one of our favorite brands. It's Happy Souls Cosmetics. So, first, we'll be brushing off our kilay. And we'll be using this brush together with this product. So this is how our kilay will look after, and this is the before. Kitang-kita, wala tayong kilay, and this is the after. So, alam niyo na yung routine natin. Alam ko naman na alam niyo na. And let's proceed. This is our final kilay. Again, ang ginamit lang natin is eyebrow pomade, concealer to conceal or to hide or to erase or to remove all the errors sa pagkikilay, and again, your favorite mascara para mas on fleek and mas bold. Now, let's focus on our eyeshadow. For our eyeshadow, we'll be using the blush of the BYS Task Palette. This one. And we'll be using this brush. Ma-achieve natin yung konting darkness dito sa edge or sa tip ng ating eyes. We'll be using this, and i-mix lang natin na yung konting red or these two. Depende sa availability ng pink nyo. So, mas maganda na light yung unang gagamitin pink, and then darker shade dito sa dulo para mas makita yung difference. And we'll be using this brush right away. Yung ginagamit nga pala nating palette is, again, one of our favorites. It's Beauty Glazed Gorgeous Me, and never kong na-memorize ang brands and names ng products. So, make sure na ma-blend nyo lang sila ng maayos yung products. Para naman ma-achieve natin yung shining, shimmer, and splendid nung gitna ng eyes natin, we'll be using this one. And kung anong available nyo na small puffy brush, mas maganda yun. You can use it. So, mid to end. Para naman sa under eyes natin, we'll be using the same colors nung ginamit natin dito sa taas. So, repeat nyo lang. And don't forget the shimmer. Now, we'll be doing our eyeliner, of course, using Sassy waterproof eyeliner. As for our falsies, we'll be using Cadolado and 3D60. So, ito yung lagi natin ginagamit. And, syempre, gagamit din kayo ng waterproof eyelash adhesive. So, ay yung brand niya. Ngayon naman, gagawin natin ang ating contour. So, sa ating contour, if you don't have any contouring palette, you can always use your eyeshadows. Make sure lang na meron kayong available na skin tone colors or skin tone palettes. And I'll be using this brush. So, sa cheeks, you can either use this kind of brush or yung puffy brush or yung angled brush and use the same colors na ginamit ko sa inyong nose. Let's do the baking. So for our baking, since naubos na yung isa nating loosing powder, you can use mumuso, or we'll be using mumuso and we'll be using this brush. Oops! Nakalimutan tayo. Para mas lifted yung inyong eyeshadow or yung inyong eyes part, you can use this powder foundation or whatever foundation you have. Or you can also use actually your loose setting powder. So, katulad ng ginagawa lang natin sa ating mga previous videos, i-angle nyo lang yung sponge na pataas and saka iswipe together with the product. So, sabog-sabog na kasi yung powder foundation natin since nabagsak. Then, blend nyo lang. Let's move on sa ating cheeks. So, para mas ma-achieve natin yung ganong look ng cheeks, kailangan natin ng base. So, either you can use the same color palette na ginamit ko sa inyong eyeshadow, or you can use another option na BLK's Feeling Peachy. Or if you have other option like you can use tints or any blush color will do actually. So for our case, we'll be using BLK's as our primer, and we'll be using this brush para i-blend. Simple clouds lang naman yung gagawin natin dito. So all you need is concealer. So, para mag-match yung cheeks natin sa ating eyeshadow, of course, kailangan may tint or may hint ng konting color na ginamit ko sa inyong eyeshadow. So, we'll be reusing this palette and apply nyo lang yung shade na ginamit ko sa inyong eyes. Actually, pwede nyo din siyang gawin ng iba't ibang kulay like red shades or yellow or whatever color you want. So, medyo kapalan nyo lang ng bahagya dito sa may cheeks para mas maging visible yung clouds natin, lalo-lalo na at concealer yung gagamitin natin. Lightest concealer na available sa inyo. Now, para ma-achieve naman natin yung freckles, we can use any light shade ng inyong eyeshadow and this spoolie. So, dip lang and random nyo lang na ipat. So, kung gusto nyo ipa ng mas lighter, ipat nyo lang siya ng fingers nyo. So, mas better if merong dark and light shade kasi gano'n naman ang freckles, diba? May dark, may light. If masyado kayo nakakapala naman, you can always cover it with the same blush. Madali lang siya matanggal since light yung in-apply natin. Mag-brush lang and mawawala na yan. Now, let's proceed sa ating easiest way to make our clouds. Our clouds will be using this concealer and this brush. So, kuha lang kayo ng product, then lagay sa cheeks. Another tip, para mas ma-achieve nyo yung clouds, i-blend nyo siya dito sa bottom. Parang kapalan nyo yung paglalagay sa top ng product and just blend it dito sa babang part. Something like that. Let's continue on doing the other clouds. Now all you gotta do is put some loose setting powder and we're done. Para lang mag-set yung ating foundation. And don't forget to remove this. For our lips, we'll be doing the lips na lagi nating ginagawa. And starting off once again with the BLK product Tinted Balm with the shade of Very Berry. And then use another BLK product na Wonder Melon Lip and Cheek Tint. Then we'll do the highlighter. Sa highlighter natin, we'll be using another Saucy Ladies product. It's a liquid glow highlighter with the shade number 2. So to finish everything, we'll be using another BLK product. It's their hydrating ultra fine mist. Let it dry, people. So, what do you think of this look? Habi ba? Easiest way ba? If you like this video, don't you dare forget to click that like button. And if you want to be updated sa ating mga newest and latest uploads, just click the subscribe and notification bell. Once again, it's me, your girl, Mela, Momonski, signing off.